I'm going to describe my friend's birthday party last month. We went for a delicious meal in an Italian restaurant and then to a couple of bars. There were about 10 of us, some close friends, some old friends, and some work colleagues. We started the evening at the restaurant. We had a mouth-watering pizza and talked about our lives, joked around and had a little gossip. After that, we went to a couple of quiet bars in my town. That was nice, because I'm not a fan of noisy places. How did I feel? Well, it was a lot of fun. Everybody enjoyed themselves very much. And it was great to meet old friends who I haven't seen since my childhood. It was really interesting to find out about what they are doing in their lives. What else? I can't remember all the details. But let's just say that everybody had a great time. That's all I have to say.